Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can change your PC's background photo, just like you can see here, or your wallpaper, to a single photo and even multiple photos that automatically change themselves. So let's get going with the tutorial. It's very much simple and easy. I'm going to walk you guys through the procedure. So all you need to do is you just right click on your mouse here and then you move to personalize here. So it opens here. So here you can see these are photos I've been using. So if you want to use a single photo, you just choose a picture here and you tap on browse here. You get it? And you open the folder, any folder that you have the picture of. Let me use this. This is a thumbnail I created. Let me choose this picture for the tutorial purpose. Now let me come here. You can see this is the picture. It's a thumbnail, just like I said earlier. That's it on how you can use a picture for your wallpaper or your background photo of your Windows PC. So you can choose a solid color, which is like, let's say, black, red, any color of your choice. Let me come here and show you guys. You can see there's it. Now let's come here and now let me show you guys how you can make a slideshow. So for a slideshow, you need to PC to be choosing this pictures from that folder. You get it? So now let's come here. So you can see they are choosing this pictures that they'll be using for the slide from this background wallpapers. You get it? So I have a file for that I've saved multiple pictures that can be used as a wallpaper here. So it will be changing automatically. That's how you choose this. So you can see here, this is the option. The picture is going to change every 30 minutes. You can change the time to every 1 minute. You can change it to 10 minutes or anything of your choice. So that's it. And with Windows Spotlight, you not get access to these things. So let me choose that one and show you guys. You can see you're not getting access to nothing here. It's like you're using a theme, something like this. I'm going to get all the pictures from Windows. So now let me come here, because I think most of you guys would want to customize your photos that you want to use as your wallpaper on your PC. So here you can choose fill, you can choose fit. So this is common English. I think you guys are going to get this. Fill, fit. And you can choose stretch. It means you're going to stretch the picture for it to fit your PC screen. I think these are common English. I'm not going to go all over this. So let me choose fill. So that's it on how you can change your background picture of your PC to a slideshow or even a single or a fixed solid color picture. So that's it. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video.